Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Red Roof Inn Suites Statesboro, University. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Red Roof Inn Suites Statesboro is a family-friendly property less than 10 minutes drive from Splash in the Boro Water Park and East Georgia Regional Medical Center. Features include free Wi-Fi and a TV in every room. All rooms have a desk and a private bathroom. Red Roof Inn Suites Statesboro extras include a hairdryer, towels, and linen. There is a 24-hour front desk at the property. Historic Central Statesboro is 2,953 feet away. Guests will also be 5 minutes drive from Georgia Southern University and MC Anderson Sports Complex. 67 Antique Mall is 13 miles from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.